with Cathy's Garden. I'm so happy you joined me. We're going to do our Cathy's Sewing Happiness drawing a little later in this video. Right now we're going to make some, decorate a beautiful envelope. And a shout out first to Helen. Cathy loves MK, Sue, Anita, Deborah, Joyce, Maybelline, Mary Craft 694, Billy, Michelle, and Nancy. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, so we're going to start with an envelope. Mine happens to be kind of a pink envelope. It actually looks like this. I bought it this way. And I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to ink the inside just real quick here. And then we're going to put one of our printed digis down inside. Let me get this a little better right here. Down inside, and that fits right in there like this. And then we're going to trim around the outside. So let's go ahead and put a little glue on this. Just like this. And I cut it just so it will fit down right inside of that envelope. So we're going to line the envelope with this beautiful, beautiful paper. Then we're going to take our scissors and we're going to just cut right around the flap here. Well, maybe we'll cut around the flap here. There we go. Just like that. Beautiful. Now we're going to ink around the edge quickly. I'm using the Victorian Velvet. I'm absolutely loving this color. It's my favorite right now. I've been working with this paper from Chapter 1 papers, and it just goes perfectly with it. Okay, so there we are. Let's go ahead and crease that. Let's decorate the front. What is that? Let's get that off. Okay, I have a few things here. I have a doily that it was white, and I took my Victorian Velvet and I just went ahead and inked on it and made it that beautiful color. I'm just going to put some glue right on here in a circular motion and put this on. It just bugs the G-beavers out of me to put glue on top of a doily. I can't stand how it comes out the holes. I just don't know. It's just this thing. I just don't like it. All right, and I've got a little piece of coffee dyed paper, and I'm going to ink around that just a little bit with the same color. I'd like to sit that about right here. I'm going to put a lid on this and rearrange here just a little bit. Get some glue on this. I think it's more like a rectangle here. And I'm going to put it so it's got an edge of the envelope showing. I like that a lot. Now I have another piece from the digital download that I did from Chapter 1. I think that's going to be beautiful. And let's go ahead and put this down on the envelope. Whoops. Just like this. And I'm going to let some of that beautiful coffee dyed paper show through. Just like that. Oh, I'm loving that. Now, what I'd like to do, I think I'd like to put a piece of this frayed cotton fabric here, and maybe this little piece of crocheted lace. Excuse the reach. I'm going to get my glue, and I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to put maybe this down first, and I'm just going to put some glue down on there and place this right on top, just like that. And then, let's see, I think I want this to be maybe right here. Get some of this glue on here. And I didn't put it right on the edge. I wanted some of that pretty paper to show through. Then I believe I'd like to put a little butterfly, maybe right up in here, so it kind of goes up into the doily a little bit. Not much, just a little. Get some glue on this little fella here. These butterflies are from my porch prints. Let's see, I wanted to put this fella here, so I think I want it to be more like this. Oh, that's looking lovely. And we'll get some glue on this little label. This label came with the digis, the paper. There we go. That's nice. Now I'd like to do something on the flap here. I think I would like to do a little bit of doily on here. I guess I better open this up. I'm just doing part of a doily on here, just like that, and then I'm going to trim it. Oh, nice. I like that. I'm going to ink it just a little bit. Then let's see. How about another little butterfly and maybe a little bit of material, that cotton material, right on that doily, just to blend the front and the back together. Make it a cohesive envelope. I'm thinking maybe we want a little bit of a stamp on there. I'm not sure here. Didn't get my stamp stuff out. I might have to do that. I think I want it. Yep, I think I want it down here like this. Just like that. And I do believe I'd like to put some bling on the body of the beautiful butterfly. And I have the bling right here. I'm looking for my pin. So I've got a little stick pin here. Pull this off, stick it right on. I need another one. There we go. And maybe one more. Just like that. Ooh, I'm liking that. Now we're going to need some bling right here as well. So let's go ahead and get our glue and put this right down the middle of this butterfly, the body of the butterfly, and get our bling and put it right on. Alrighty. I think I'd like one more. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. I think I might go get my stamps. Just one second. All right. Instead of using a stamp, I'm going to make a stamp, and I'm going to use this pretty little flower right here, and I'm just going to use my mini pinking shears and cut out my own little stamp, just like that. I think that looks very, very sweet. And I'm going to ink it up. Just like this. I think I want it to go this way. So I'll get that on there. Alrighty, so now I've got my stamps that look like the post office stamps, and I'll get my black ink and I'll put it right on my little mount, and we're going to put it right here. Perfect. Now I need this part. All right, that looks pretty darn good. I'm loving it. Just love it. You open it up and ooh la la, it's beautiful inside. Just beautiful. All right, guys, let's have our drawing. Let me put my ink away. And let's bring in the drawing. So how you get in the fishbowl is, for this week, this is last week's entries. This week, if you would like to enter, at the bottom of this video, leave a very short description of what your act of kindness was to another without any names. For instance, I let someone in line in front of me at the grocery store. I helped a neighbor out. She broke her arm and I took her over some food. Something like, you know, acts of kindness. It doesn't have anything to do with junk journal related, just acts of kindness. You just a short description down below this video, and we'll do a drawing. You'll be entered in the drawing. So this is last week's names. We'll just twirl around, and the winner is right here. There's the winner. The winner is Christy B. 65. Christy B. 65. Excuse me. You're the winner. So what you need to do is to go down at the bottom of this video and find out the instructions, and I'll be getting you out some happy mail from me to you as a way of me paying it forward. Oh, thanks, you guys. I had the best time. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.